blew it up. You see the poof? Oh! Setting up good.
Who's shooting?
One of you.
You. Get ready. That's a duck, Jim.
Yeah. Oh, that's what we're here for. Let's go. Here. You don't have a shortage of geese, do you?
Just like snow geese. Josh, if you got a shot, I'd shoot. Should get better this time. Man, worked for that one. Do you even put 3 shells in, or you just put one in at a time?
No, you got to put all 3 in.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Anybody got him? No swinging on my end. Setting up good. Oh, he bailed out just at the end, didn't he?
So when you shot, you went that way. You went.
Oh, guess we won't get tonight. He made a mistake.
And it was at that moment when he knew.
Oops.
Good thing I don't have an Uno.
One of these big ones.
Yeah, one of these big ones.
Yeah, you sound like a big one.
Count into your duck bag or goose bag?
Depends on the tier 1 or 2.
Oh, shit.
I fell over the first shot. I got up when I was leaning back. Are you believe me when I say I probably should shoot 4 o'clock back home? Yeah, you got it.
There, take that. He's going farther than I thought he was gonna be. Josh.
What did he? Oh, you did. That must have been heavy metals.
No, that was Remington, but they must be dirty.
Dirty and dusty.
These down. Yeah, I think it's around.
Probably, I'm watching.
What do you got going? Not gonna talk? Okay. I don't have a gun out.
Man, coming back down.
Hey, thanks for tuning in for that video, everybody. We ended up with 19 ducks. 17 of them were mallards. We shot 2 pintails, and we had those 5 geese that came in. But I know I didn't get all of it on camera for you. As you can imagine, self-filming a waterfowl hunt is nearly impossible. And when we're trying to make sure everybody shoots their birds and things like that, sometimes it's just my shot and I don't run the camera, and some other people don't know how to run the camera, etc. So thanks for tuning in. We appreciate all your support. If you're watching this on Fix, we appreciate you watching us here. That helps us out a ton. Keep your subscription going by following us on Fix or subscribing under our channel on Fix. If you're watching this on YouTube, thank you for all your support. Make sure you smash that subscribe button for us. Easy way to help us out, help us grow, whether it's in algorithms or just total subscribers, things like that. But views, comments, if you have anything you want to see, whether that's on a podcast, hear about, talk to us about, things you like we're doing, ideas for us for future hunts, things like that, feel free to reach out to us at theseasonsmedia@gmail.com. You can find us on Instagram at theseasonsmedia. Otherwise, stay tuned for this upcoming season. We have a lot of waterfowl still ahead of us, so it's exciting. And also, don't forget to catch all our fall stuff, which is currently live. So thanks for watching, everybody. We'll catch you on the next video.